and we're going to show you how we put it together. Very simple, pretty straightforward. And then I'm going to tell you if we like it, if we buy it again, and you can find it in the link in the description. So let's get into the chair review.
Yeah!
Y'all playing on the couch? Let's see it. Nice. Alrighty, welcome to a video. Welcome to doing the chair. I'm just gonna do a time lapse on this video, and I'll just run through putting it together, and then I can tell you what our review is. So let's get it. Can you get that or what? Can you help?
Might be the other one.
Look, there's a little stain in there. See that? It's kind of weird.
But I'm like, it's not on this, it's only underneath.
Oh, maybe it's just the factory colors.
Yeah.
It's alright, it'll be covered up. That's the bottom though, I think.
Yeah. But I don't know if I can get this on. Hey, don't close it.
Alright, let's see it.
Put the zipper part in the back. There you go.
Fits, nice.
I think flip it the other way.
No. Which way?
This way.
Oh, you mean the
Like,
flip it to the back?
yeah.
Yeah, flip it to the back.
Why? Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I try to sit
Well,
on
there's
it?
like a line in there.
Do you like it?
What do you think?
As long as y'all approve.
Good?
Yeah.
What do you think, Zeke?
Go.
Brothers.
Brother.
Test it out.
Alright, let's check it
Moment of
out.
truth.
What?
Can you be
What is that?
7 months pregnant here?
Time for sleep.
Huh.
Time for sleep.
That's pretty nice.
Can I sit
Hey, I'm trying. No, it's good. It's definitely like, it's very deep. It's very
That's
deep.
good?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Like,
Can
I'm short, but.
sit in it, Mommy? I want to sit in it.
Hey.
No, it's my turn because I gotta test it out.
Daddy gets a try and then y'all can try. I can try yet.
Oh,
My turn.
I like it.
My turn, Daddy.
It fits really nice.
My turn, Dad.
No, it's my turn. Hey.
High
Yeah.
quality. Actually.
Well, let's clean this up and then I can show you how sexy it looks.
Well, I want one here.
What's that?
I think it fits in this space really good.
Nice. Where can I buy one?
Amazon.com.
Oh boy.
Use our link. Help support our growing family.
So we've had the chair for, I don't even know how long it's been, but Kristen was pregnant then, and now Archie is like almost 6 months, so maybe it's been 9 months or so. We originally got it to stage the house to sell, which we are currently still selling it. So there's that. Now, the actual review of the chair, is it good? I think it's great. For the cost, the price of it, I think it's really good. I sit on it all the time, drink coffee, hang out. My wife sits on it all the times. The boys will sit on it too. It's comfortable. It's still, it still has its firmness. I know it's not super old yet, but it does look super nice. In this living room, I can show you a little bit. This living room, it looks great because we got some walnut accents. You can see there. And then the couch with the walnut, ignore that. I was watching basketball. And then we got walnut there, walnut feet. And this isn't walnut, I don't think, but it still looks pretty good. It still looks like a good dark wood. So it fits in really well with our space. So yeah, I'm happy about it. I would definitely buy it again. Pricing is good. Once again, you can check the description for the link to it. Snag one if you want. But yeah, that's about it this video. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. All right, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.